Want to edit a PDF on your laptop without installing Adobe Acrobat or paying for expensive software? This free online tool lets you edit your PDF in just a few minutes, right from your browser. First, open Chrome or any browser and search for Copy Checker. Open the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the website, click on the blue Upload PDF File button and select the PDF you want to edit from your laptop. The file will upload automatically, which usually takes just a few seconds. After the upload is complete, the PDF editor will open. Now go through your document carefully and make all the changes you need. You can edit text, update information, make corrections, or modify the document according to your requirements. Take a moment to review each page before saving to ensure everything looks exactly the way you want. If you notice any mistakes, you can quickly fix them before exporting the final version. When you've finished editing, simply click on the Apply Changes button. The website will process your edits and prepare the updated PDF. Now click on the Download button to save the edited PDF to your laptop. Within a few seconds, your new PDF will be downloaded with all your changes successfully applied. Open the downloaded file to verify your edits, and it's ready to share, print, upload, or email. This tool is perfect for editing resumes, assignments, contracts, invoices, application forms, business documents, and other PDFs without converting them into another format. The best part is that everything works directly in your browser. There's no software to install, no complicated setup, and no expensive subscription required. Just upload your PDF, edit it, apply your changes, download the final file, and you're ready to use it in minutes.